In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Mailchimp audience groups and how to use them like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned email marketer or just getting started, understanding audience groups in Mailchimp can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your email campaigns. So let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about creating an audience group. Audience groups are essentially segments within your main audience, and they help you organize your contacts according to shared characteristics or interests. To create a group, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Go to the audience section and select the Manage Contacts option. From there, click on Groups and then Create Groups. You'll be prompted to give your group a name and define the categories of interest that apply. Think of these as the thematic umbrellas that will contain your contacts. This could include categories like product preferences, geographical location, or engagement level, depending on what makes the most sense for your business. Next, organize your contacts by adding them to these groups. This is a crucial step, as it lets you categorize your audience in a way that enables more personalized communication. You can manually add contacts to specific groups by editing each contact's details, or if you're handling a larger list, use a CSV file to bulk upload them. In Mailchimp, automation tools can also automatically sort new subscribers into the correct groups based on their sign-up preferences or behavior on your website. This saves you time and ensures your contacts are placed in the right segments for targeted messaging. Now, on to using groups to send targeted emails. This is where the power of audience groups really shines. By sending targeted emails, your message is more relevant and engaging to your audience, which can increase open rates and conversions. In Mailchimp, create a new campaign and select the audience you want to target. Under the To section, choose Group or New Segment and then select the specific audience group you've created. Design your email with your group's interest in mind to make your communication as effective and personalized as possible. Tailor your content to fit the preferences or needs of the group you are addressing. This is key to retaining your audience's attention and driving engagement. Finally, empower your subscribers by allowing them to self-select their interests. This makes your groups even more accurate. You can do this by including a preferences form in your emails or on your sign-up page, where subscribers can choose which groups they'd like to be part of. Not only does this place the control in the hands of your subscribers, ensuring they're receiving content they truly care about, but it also provides you with richer, user-generated data that can guide your marketing strategies. And there you have it. A quick guide on using Mailchimp audience groups like a pro. Implementing these steps ensures your email marketing efforts are both efficient and effective, tailored to the unique interests and behaviors of your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!